Hi guys, Ben from the Curry Loons here. Today we're going to be starting making the pastes we are going to need for our chicken tikka and chicken tikka masala. So the paste we're going to be making today is the tikka paste. Quite a lot of ingredients, but nothing too out there, not stuff you can't find quite easily, or if you're watching this channel, probably already have in the cupboard anyway. So this is a recreation of what you basically the pataks pastes that you can buy. Much cheaper to do at home and probably more flavoursome, as you well know. So what you'll need for this is 2 tablespoons of ground coriander, 4 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 2 teaspoons garlic granules, 2 teaspoons ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of dried mint. Now in this case I had no dried mint, so what I've done is I've used mint sauce diluted with lemon juice. Now that's 4 teaspoons of lemon juice. I've eased back what should have really been, I would have said, probably about 4 teaspoons of white wine vinegar. So obviously there's quite a lot of vinegar and white wine vinegar in mint sauce. So I've dialed that back to just 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar, a teaspoonful of salt, and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. You also need 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So now all we're going to do, and it couldn't be any simpler, mix the spices together. Add the mint, the white wine vinegar, and the oil. The good thing about these pastes is they keep for quite a long time, the amount of oil content in them. So you can make these up, and obviously this is just a small batch. You can make these up into larger batches, and they'll keep for quite a substantial time really in the fridge. Now as you can see, the paste's a bit dry still, so we're just going to add a couple more teaspoons of water and probably another 2 tablespoons of oil. And this smells pretty good. And that is literally it. Now this will be transferred into a jar where I will cap it with a little bit more oil just to seal everything in. Really you want to be leaving this a few days just to infuse all the oils and let everything marry together before you use it. But like I say, it keeps for a long time, and most of the recipes you're going to be using this with will literally require 1 teaspoon. So, hope you enjoy.